Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica Myros and today I am bringing you a motivational midweek motivation on Wednesday, and today happens to be my son's birthday, so happy birthday Jace. We're actually going to be unboxing a new bike thanks to Glerc, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna share with you guys, I worked with them in the past and I am such a big fan of their brand and the quality bikes that they offer. And so my youngest son has been enjoying his Glerc bike for a while, but now my oldest son, especially on his birthday, we are celebrating that he got a brand new bike. So thank you so much. I will be sharing a productive morning, including with haircuts. I am collaborating with a couple of YouTube friends that you must go watch after you're done my video. Be sure to watch their midweek motivation. Her name is Carla Michelle. She'll have some motivation to bring with you. And also I have Clarissa at Sunny in the suburbs. I have collaborated with her in the past. She has great content. And also Lakeisha from Lakeisha Loves to Plant. Be sure to check out everything down in the description below. And if you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let's go ahead and get right into it. To begin, you guys, I want to share a little bit of Glerc bikes. They offer a different style and wide variety of different models, but this one is the bubble, and the Glerc just makes bikes that are practical and really easy for the kids to handle, with color schemes and frames that geometry. They're designed that sparks the love in the kids for them to ride them, and it is a great quality. This one is the bubble 16-inch tire, and it also comes with the kickstand and the wheels, the training wheels. So my son doesn't need the training wheels anymore, so I didn't add those, but I love the fact that it has the little tray in the back of the bike, and also has the little basket. It has the little ringer on the bike, so the bell, the bike bell, and the color, it's such a bright and very beautiful style. The seat is also super comfortable, so the kids absolutely love riding their bikes together now, and being able to style with their helmets that are also from Glerc. They decided to pick different colors, and I love that they are bright and you can easily see them, and they really stand out. Um, they are super durable, the bikes and also the helmets. I love how sturdy and easy to adjust they are. The nice part of the Glerc bikes is that they actually come 95% already built to put together for you, and it makes it really easy. It comes with all the hardware, all the screws, all the screwdrivers, and including even like white gloves to prevent for you to get your hands dirty. Where are you gonna measure it? Right there. That's it. Doesn't I want to share great news from Glerc. You guys, they started a site-wide promotion, 20% off. Started October 8th, so yesterday. Be sure to check out the amazing deals for these bikes, and be sure to give Glerc some love, and I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of the video. What is it, Jace? What do you say? All right, friends, I am making some breakfast right now. Make the Kodiak, just very simple. I added some urchin protein powder, the vegan plant-based protein powder, and I'm just whipping this up so I can make some quick pancakes, and I can just do some tidying up and cleaning up around the house, and we'll be getting this day going. So yeah, I hope that you guys are having a good morning, or whenever you're watching this video. And I love the Kodiak. I don't know, are you guys also fans of Kodiak pancake mix? Because it is just so easy, and I love the the ingredients and nutrition that it has. That has a lot of protein in it. So all right, so actually the kids got booed by one of our friends, and they received this craft for them to do. So while I make breakfast, they'll get busy and try to paint these little pumpkins.
Let's go. Pumpkins. Pumpkins.
They're so cute. All right, you guys get to work, okay? While I get these pancakes ready for the kids and now I decided last minute that it was time for the kids to get a haircut, and so I went ahead and get everything ready for us to do the haircut. I use my vacuum groomer that it has the attachment for the trimmers, and this was life-saving just because it's such a time saving. There's no hair flying around as much. I really like it. I am an affiliate with Uproot Grooming Essentials. This is supposed to be for dogs, but I don't need it to use it for my dogs anymore, as I don't really do their trimming. But it works wonders truly for the kids, and it's really easy to use. So the trimmers are an attachment that you get into the vacuum, and then the vacuum and the trimmers, you turn those two on, and while you're cutting the hair, it sucks all the hair into the vacuum container. So it is so great and quick to get their haircuts done. I just trim the basic around the face and around the top, just to make sure that I get the length that I want to be able to get. This concludes today's video, you guys. I want to say again, happy birthday to my firstborn, Jace. I hope that you have a wonderful day and continue blessing you with a wonderful life, my love. But also I want to mention, be sure to check out the ladies' videos. I cannot wait to watch their videos. They are amazing content creators and very entertaining. I love all of their personalities, and I'm sure you will as well. Also, don't forget to check out Glerc. Their bikes are amazing, and you will absolutely love their quality. Don't forget that they started their promotion October 8th, so that was yesterday. They have Halloween gifts for 20% off site-wide promotion, so be sure to check out the link down on the description below. And as always, you guys are amazing, and I love you, and thank you for coming along on today's video. Check out more of my videos on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.